Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong and this is lesson number 12. Let's get started. So today we will learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Super excited about this lesson because I just know how much the kids enjoy playing this song. And we're not just going to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we will actually practice it in puzzle pieces. So we will do a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star musical puzzle together and then practice the piece in separate parts to make it a little bit easier. And we will learn a new note today. So far, we focus on C, D, E, F, G on the piano. Today, we will add the letter and note A. Just to repeat, I'm gonna use my labeled gems again. So yeah, we use these quite often. I'm gonna use those again and I'm gonna start to look for the doghouse D key and then C. Just to repeat the musical alphabet on our keys. This is E, then we have F, then we have our G. And what comes after G again in music? A. So this is A, right here. And let's look for another A. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A. Here's another A, a higher one. And okay, I guess that's it because I don't have another A gem here, but here would be another lower A. So A is going to be our next new note. We can leave the gems on the piano again, maybe for the first time that we practice it, and take them off when we play the piece for the second time. But as I said, that's totally up to you guys. You can leave the gems on the keys or you can take them off. I'm gonna leave them on today. And let's see. So I have 3 puzzle pieces here. And we have to figure out which one comes first. So this is kind of like a sight reading exercise already. But I can give you a little hint. This is the last part. This is going to be the last piece of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. How do I know that? Why is it the last one? So if we take a look at these two and we look at the ending here, we notice that this one looks different compared to this one. Here, it's like a double bar and it's thicker and there are 2 lines here at the ending. That means this is where the song finishes. This is the ending. So we already know that this is going to be the last part of the song. So I'm going to use some clothespins to attach it to our paper here. All right. So as I've said, this is the last part of our Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's take it the other 2. So does our Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, does it start with C? We have 2 C's here and then a big skip to finger number 5 on G. Does that sound like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Or here it starts on the second line G. That doesn't sound like the beginning, right? So this is the first part of our Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Whoops. And then we have only 1 piece left, which means this has to be in the middle here. Let's attach this piece as well. Or actually, no, I'm going to put it aside for now so that we can focus just on the first part. I'll take this one again off too. Okay, so let's play the first part together on the piano. Let's take a look at the notes first. We have C, C, then we have a big skip to G, finger number 5, and then our pinky shifts 1 up, and that's why this finger number 5 here is in the circle, because it's a shift. We shift 1 up to get to our new note A here. So this is a new note A, and this is a new note A, and then the pinky shifts back down with finger number 5. So pinky back down to the G here, and then it's just stepping down until we get to C. Let's try to play this. So it starts with the finger number 1, the thumb on C, and then it goes all the way up to G, shift 1 up to A, shift 1 back down to G, and then 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. We have 2 notes here that are a little bit longer, so 2 half notes here with 2 beats each. Let's play this one more time. All right, and that is the first part of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's see, what was the next part? This is the next part because this is not the ending here, right? We just have a single bar line here. Here we go. Let's attach this here. And maybe we can pull these a little up so we can focus better on the second part. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the next part. The next part of the song starts with finger number 5 on the second line here, which was our G. So 5 on G, 1 step down, again. It's the same thing, it just repeats. Let's play the song from here to here now. Let's start from the beginning and play it until here. So it starts with the thumb on C, skip to G, 1 step up to A, back to G. 4, 4, 3, 3, D, D, C. And then pinky. 1, 2. And let's take a look at the last part. The last part will be pretty easy because let's compare the first part of the song, the first puzzle piece here with the last one. What do we notice? And I mean, if we are familiar with the song and we know how to sing it, we could actually sing it. I'm not a great singer myself, so we could try to sing this. And we would notice that this part is pretty much the same as this one. So if we practice the first puzzle piece and the second puzzle piece, that's all we need to really focus on to practice, because this is going to be the same thing as the first part. That means these are the only 2 puzzle pieces we need to practice. Let's play this part as well. I'm going to play the whole song. So from the beginning, shift up to A, down to G. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. That is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So what we really need to practice is just the first part and the second part, and then we will know the entire piece. And the trickiest thing to me, I think, is probably the shifting from the pinky from G up to A, and then to make sure that we shift back down to the G again. It's just a quick little position shift to get our pinky to A and then back down to G. All right, I hope you guys will enjoy practicing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star together, and I hope that you guys, that you guys will be able to play the song as soon as possible, because I know that a lot of kids actually really love the song and that they're very excited about it. If you have any questions, the best way to reach me is on our website, and you can use the chat option and ask for Miss Denise, and just email me, or just find me on Instagram whenever you have questions, and just make sure that you ask me, because I would love to help out. All right, this was lesson number 12, and I'll see you guys in lesson number 13.